Next up, fuel shortage for White Lotus. In this, we need to siphon gas from one vehicle on Ashika Island and use one gas can in a vehicle to refuel. Essentially, with this new update, you can siphon gas from vehicles to refill gas cans and use them to fill up other vehicles. Pretty simple. I'll show you what to do here on Ashika Island. For fuel shortage, we need to find a gas can. So all you need to do is head to a gas station and find a gas can inside it. Approaching a gas station, we should hopefully find a gas can inside here, and there we go, there's a gas can. We can take a second one, but that's not at all necessary. So what you need to do is use a bit of fuel in a vehicle so we can refuel it with a gas can to empty it a little bit if it's not less than 100%. I'll head across here and pick up this vehicle, and hopefully we can refuel it. Yes, we can, there's a bit of fuel available. So we can click left click to refuel or R to siphon gas. So I'll hit R first of all to siphon gas, but unfortunately it's full. And unfortunately, I was sniped. So essentially, you can use any vehicle for this mission. It doesn't have to be a car. So I'll head down here, for example, and we should be able to do everything we need with a little jet ski, for example. So if we get on the jet ski, we can open up our inventory and hit R on the gas can to siphon fuel or left click to refuel. So if we left click, it refuels a little bit, and just like that, we should have used the gas can to refuel. Now, if we go ahead and hit R on the gas can, it'll siphon fuel from the vehicle, filling up the gas can once more. We can of course do this in any order with the same vehicle, it doesn't matter at all. And that's really it for this super quick mission, introducing you to a brand new feature. That's really it for this quick video, so thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!